So today we will be unboxing this watch from Haylou called Haylou Smartwatch 2. I already have a Mi Band 4, but I wanted to try this new watch and it looks really amazing. So if you go into the specs, well, it has a 2.5D toughened curved glass, of course a heart rate sensor all day, 12 sports mode, size sleep management, HD color tone, and 20 days standby. Looks really promising. Well, unboxing this for the first time, and here you have it. It's a pretty looking watch, very light. It has this dynamic heart rate sensor at the back, and this is a 20 strap. Looks very premium. The quality is good, and as far as the watch is concerned, well, the sides are plastic, but it looks very promising. Here you go with the sticker off. The watch looks really like an Apple Watch and looks very premium. So let's charge it up and see how its UI looks. Of course, in the box you get this small manual, charging cable, and that's it.